welcome back to the channel. We are on day 3 for our countdown to our brand new release, Sunflowers and Honey, and we have a great box coming on June 1st. So I'm going to share the Sunflower Bees paper pad with you, and I think this paper pad is gorgeous. And I am going to have some available for individual sales, so if you wanted to pick up an extra one or whatnot, we will have some available. So you get 4 of each design. They're double-sided, 24 double-sided designs. I'm going to share with you so they do repeat, so I'm going to share with you the first print here, which is gorgeous. I love this design with the little bumblebees, and there's like a honeycomb background, and then the sunflowers scattered around. Then we've got a honeycomb, and it's in blue. And I love the color combination scheme on this paper pad. And then this is like some swatches, but they're like got some glitter on top of it, but it's faux glitter, so it won't come off. We've got this really playful sheet with the looks like watercolor type of stripes, and then the sunflowers on top. Here's a gorgeous, gorgeous blue with the pop of yellow from those sunflowers, and then a touch of white on those little flowers there. We've got another honeycomb background, and this one is like in a gold color. Very pretty. And then we've got this pretty background sheet, and then the little accents on there are like glittery gold colored. Very pretty. And then this one's really pretty too, with the honeycombs and the bees and those blue flowers. And then the sunflowers with the white background, and there's flicks of gold on top. And this one's very pretty. I love that. That reminds me of those teacups, those tea sets, and the plates. And then we've got this really pretty one with the flecks of gold as well. And then that beautiful, beautiful royal blue, and the sunflowers and the bees. And then our patterns are repeating. So very, very beautiful paper pad. So we're going to have some matching ephemera to our paper pads, but you'll see that in the next video. We're going to use this stamp set that you saw from the first video. I colored all the little gnomes to match the paper pad. So we're going to create a cute card today. I'm going to use the Floral Scallop Slimline die, and this time I'm going to use those flowers for my little background for my gnomes. I have all my pieces cut out. I used our faux embossed watercolor slimline paper pad from our previous box releases, and there was a nice orangey yellowish color in here that I could use. So I cut that out, and I'm going to put that on my card base here with some liquid adhesive. So while I'm putting these layers together, let's talk about the box of the month. You can pick up the box as a one-time purchase, or you can subscribe to the box. You'll get a new box every 30 days from the date you purchase. You'll also get a 5% discount off the price. This will also guarantee you get a box every month, because sometimes these boxes sell out quickly. You'll also get a discount to the shop every month. If you wanted to add on subscriptions to your box of the month, just contact me through my email and I can manually add those for you, so you only have to pay one shipping fee. If you are a subscriber and have multiple subscriptions with us and want to merge all your subscriptions onto one order and have them kick out on the same day, contact me and I will rearrange everything so we can have one order. Our mini mystery collection is retiring. The last shipment will be in June. We have some other subscriptions you may like. We have the paper pad subscription where you get 2 paper pads every month. fabulous designs. Teresa Russell, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, puts together all of our paper pads and ephemera, and she does a fabulous job at it. We also have the Stamp and Die of the Month, or you can just pick up the Stamp of the Month. We use a variety of fabulous artists for all of our designs. Everything that me and Teresa pick out are something that we love to craft with, so we know you're going to love it too. Okay, so the little flowers here are cut from the largest flower in the die, and I'm going to place those. So we have 3 of them. I'm going to glue the middle one first. That way I can get these even. So if you sign up for the box of the month, there's a little drop-down menu that says monthly. You're going to choose that, and then you will get your box every 30 days from the day you purchase. Plus you'll get a 5% discount at checkout, and that will guarantee your box every month. If you want to add subscriptions, just check out with the one box, and then contact me if you want to add the paper pad subscription or the Stamp of the Month subscription to it. I can manually add that for you. That way you only are charged for one shipping fee. And if you have several subscriptions and you want to put them all on the same date, you can contact me and I can move them around for you so they all kick out on the one shipment. So go ahead and use my email that's on my website under Contact Me. Okay, so now I got my base of my card done. We're going to pop up our images using some foam tape. So we might just put our sentiment on the inside. I don't really see a great spot for it, so we'll just stamp it on the inside of the card. So I've got some foam tape on the back of my images, so they're popped up. Now I can arrange them to get an idea where I want to glue them down. Something like that. So who is excited about this box? I can't wait to show you the ephemera. It is gorgeous. So I'm just going to pop my bee right there in the corner. Our next 2 boxes are already planned and in production, but I want to know what you would like to see for our fall and winter boxes. Leave it down below in the chats and give me some ideas for themes that you would like to see. Okay, we're going to add this guy over to this corner. And I kind of want to make it off the page a little bit just like this one. See that, but not too much off the page. Make sure he's straight down here at the bottom. Let's bring him up a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Let's get our last gnome on there. And this one we'll put down here, right at the corner with the little sunflower over the edge, just like the other ones, so everything looks matchy-matchy. And then our last little bumblebee. Okay, so there our little bumblebee is off the little flower onto the white space, just like this one. Okay, so to top off this card, we've got a little treat for you that is going to be in your box. So in June's box, you're going to get 1 pack of This Calls for Confetti. It's an exclusive mix for Not Too Shabby, and you're going to get one or the other. It's going to be a surprise. You won't know which one you're getting. Both of the mixes are super beautiful. They match this kit beautifully. So I'm going to put some of these little gems on here. I think that is going to look super, super cute. So I'm just going to cut the top off of here. Okay, so it does have a little seal that you can close it back up. And I'm going to put this in the little cat scrappiness embellishment tray. You got one of these in a previous box. I'm going to just pour some of this out so you can see how gorgeous that is. Look at that. So we've got some bumblebee sequins in there, little flowers. There's some gold. There's some black and navy blue. I am just so excited about this. So let's see what we can sprinkle on our card. And these make great shaker pieces. My little stick-up thing is lost its stick. So there's little bumblebee ones. I think I'm going to save that for a shaker. Those are super cute. I think I want to put some gold on here. Really, really cute. And I like that it has different sizes. I love it, it's so cute. Let's put this black one over here and the blue one up here. That is awesome. So cute. I think I want to add one more over here. Let's put a little blue one over there. Love it, love it, love it. So there is the card. It turned out super cute, but you know what? We got to decorate the inside. I have a little beehive and a bumblebee left. And then we could stamp the sentiment on the inside. So that's going to be so cute. So I want to use that sunflower wishes and honeybee kisses. I'm going to have to use my stamping block since I don't have the large MISTI. So we're going to try to get this on straight. I'm going to practice on a scratch piece of paper. And when you get new stamps, I like to rub off the manufacturer's oils off the stamp. That way you get a better impression. I usually take a damp stamp chamois and just wipe it off. You can use your finger or an eraser or something like that. And I'm going to use my favorite ink. This one is perfect for stamping clear sentiments. This is VersaFine Clear and Nocturne. So I am going to use my magnet so my paper doesn't move around. We're going to stamp it there. First, I'm going to stamp off though, because your third stamp is usually the best. So let's see. If I could get a good stamp the first time, I will go ahead and stamp. So let's put my paper over here. Stamp straight down and pick it straight up. Okay, so that is not a bad stamp. Straight down, hold it for a second or two, and then straight up. Okay, looks like I'm gonna do a good job. Hopefully it will work on the card. Hopefully this flap doesn't mess me up. All right, so hopefully it's straight. Let's get my magnet up here a little bit more. Straight down, hold it, and straight up. Okay, looks good. Now I'm gonna put this over here in the corner and then have the little bee. Isn't that cute? We got our bee flying back to the honey hive. Okay, so there's the inside of the card. The outside looking so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this peek for day 3. Come back tomorrow to see what is next for day 2. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye guys!